In this video, I'm going to be showing you some overused AI phrases that no paraphraser can fix. So I just feel you should look out for it and avoid it. In my last video, I talked about how to use AI effectively. So if you haven't watched it, go and watch it before you watch this one to get a better experience. Hi guys, welcome to Molara Talks, where I entertain, I inform, and I educate. Let's go. AI phrases you should look out for and avoid. I'm going to be listing them, so anyone you feel you relate to or anyone that comes to mind, please drop it in the comment section. You see ChatGPT using phrases like "in conclusion." I know it doesn't sound like much, it doesn't sound wow, but it uses it a lot. In conclusion. That being said, it is important to note, as previously mentioned, this one now is very, very relatable. Let's dive in. Let's dive into this. Let's dive into that. What are you diving? In today's world, let's do it now. That's in mind. A wide range of. You see, AI tend to use the word leverage and utilize instead of use. Use. U-S-E. Use. Why use leverage and utilize? They want to sound perfect, but it sounds robotic. The power of. This is not Bridgerton. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, whether you're a doctor or a nurse, whether is very, 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 very abused. Another one that is very relatable is let's explore. You see that a lot, right? A comprehensive guide to. No. This technology is a cutting edge technology. Cutting edge technology. Do humans speak like that? You hear words like game changer, unlock your potential, boost your productivity, streamline your workflow. It sounds so robotic. AI also use words like thus, hence, consequently, daring, hearing, notwithstanding, pertaining to, commence, conclude. It doesn't sound human at all. Then you hear things like, in this article we will explore. Definitely AI. Welcome to our comprehensive guide in AI. Let's take a deep dive into AI. Definitely AI. Have you ever wondered, in today's fast-paced world, two phrases in one sentence, AI is screaming AI? Have you ever wondered, in this fast-paced world, AI? Then you also hear something like, without further ado. As technology continues to evolve, let's delve into. This blog aims to, needless to say, with that being said, as we all know, in the grand scheme of things, let's be honest, AI sounds so AI-ish. I used AI for years. I know how AI sounds. This is how AI sounds. There are some words I've also come across in AI, words like holistic, robust, innovate, disruptive, seamless. You see, seamless. 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 Definitely AI-ish. So sometimes too, AI wants to sound relatable. So it's used phrases that shows that it wants to sound relatable, but it's not relatable at all. Phrases like, we've all been there. You're not alone. Let's face it. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you see, weather, that word weather has been abused by AI. Weather. It might surprise you to know. Imagine this scenario. Imagine to is a word that has been abused by AI. Unwavering decision. Unwavering has been abused by AI. You can't believe what happened, and before you know it, boom. Really boom. So if I ask you for a script, you actually put boom. So I should be talking and be like, and it happened to me, and yet boom. No, Mm-mm. That's not how we talk in real life. That's definitely robotic. In the depth of definitely AI. So from me to you, in order to stop sounding like AI, you should do the following things. One, write like you talk, so it sounds more humanly. Two, if you're not submitting it to if you're not submitting it for a class project or something very important, write with some imperfections. Three, use slang if necessary, like slang, your local slang. I mean Nigerian, so my local slangs can be omo. Browse that out and see what it means. Use emotions. Use real emotions. Leave all this let's be honest and imagine this scenario. Use real emotions. Also start with a hook that feels real, really real, not robotic. Then if you ask AI to give you a script, some places you can use silence as suspense. Yet don't follow AI and be doing boom and poof. Mm-mm. Definitely AI. Anyways, most of you guys just take what AI gives you and paste it on a paraphrasing app. But those paraphrasing apps are AI. You want AI to paraphrase AI? Yes, it does. It actually paraphrases AI, but not 100%. There are some words you should look out for. And I just told you these words. If you have anyone in mind, please put it in the comment section. Let it not be like it's only me that is thinking this. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.